In the last class, we have tried the change in internal energy. As I explained earlier, there are two types of thermodynamic property. One which we can directly calculate, for example, volume, temperature, and pressure. And second one are those property which cannot be directly calculated, like the change in internal energy, enthalpy, entropy, etc. So to calculate these property, we use Maxwell equation to convert the expression in such a way which carry only those terms which have temperature, pressure and volumes. In the last class we have derived the change in internal energy. In this class we will derive equation to calculate the change in entropy. Change in enthalpy. You know the enthalpy is a function of temperature and pressure. The enthalpy is a function of temperature and pressure. Similar to previous example, differentiate this enthalpy term, then the change in enthalpy will be equal to the differentiation of first function del H by del T at constant pressure dt plus the differentiation of second term del H by del P at constant temperature dP. Let's say this one is equation 1. Now we know the change in enthalpy is equal to TdS plus VdP. This one is equation 2. This del H by del T is equal to Cp. We know what is Cp is. Cp equal to del H by del T. So replace equation 3 in equation 1, then delta H dH will be equal to Cp dt plus second term. Delta H by delta P at constant temperature dP. Let's say this is equation 4. Now again the entropy is function of temperature and pressure. The entropy is a function of temperature and pressure, and if we differentiate this equation, then the change in enthalpy ds will be equal to del S by del T at constant pressure dt plus del S by del P at constant temperature dP. Now put this ds value in equation 2. In equation 2, the change in enthalpy is TdS plus VdP. Now replace this ds by this expression. Let's consider this equation 5. So put equation 5 in equation 2. Then the change in enthalpy will be equal to T del S by del T dt प्लस हम combining these two terms v plus t del s by del p at constant temperature dp. Okay, this one is equation 6. Again in equation 4 dh is equal to this term, and in equation 6 dh is equal to these terms, both carry dh and dp. So equate these two equations. Now equate equation 4 and 6. So if you equate these two equations, then del s by del t at constant pressure will be equal to Cp by T, and equate second term, del H by del P at constant temperature will be equal to V plus T del S by del P at constant temperature. Let's say this is equation 7. Now again use Maxwell equation. The Maxwell relation was use Maxwell relation to replace this entropy term. The Maxwell relation was del V by del T at constant pressure is equal to minus del S by del P at constant temperature. Now use this Maxwell equation to replace this entropy term. Then finally this term will be equal to del H by del P at constant temperature will be equal to V minus T del V by del T at constant pressure. This one is equation 9. Now to calculate the change in enthalpy, finally put the value of del H by del P in equation 4. So if you put equation 9 in equation 4. If you put equation 9 in equation 4, you will finally get the required expression to calculate the change in enthalpy. So del H will be equal to Cp dt plus, replace this term, V minus T del V by del T at constant pressure dP. So this is final expression to calculate the change in enthalpy of a system. Again, if you observe this equation, these equations carry the terms of temperature, volume, pressure, which can be directly calculated. So in this manner we can calculate the change in enthalpy. Similarly, in our next class we will derive expression to calculate the change in entropy